In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount codes in Squarespace. If you're running an online store, offering promotions is a great way to drive sales. This Squarespace promo code setup tutorial will walk you through each step. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Log in to your Squarespace account. Go to squarespace.com and click the login button at the top right. If you usually sign in with Google, use the Continue with Google option for a quicker login. Once you're logged in, select the website where you want to set up the discount code. Step 2. Go to the Discounts section. From your site's dashboard, click on the Products and Services panel. Then select Discounts. This is where you manage all your store's sales, offers, and promotions. This is the main area to add promotional codes to your Squarespace store and manage them efficiently. Step 3. Add a new discount. Click on the Add Discount button. Now, choose the type of offer that works best for your campaign. You can create percentage off discounts, fixed amount coupons, or free shipping offers. Choose the one that best fits your marketing goals. This flexibility makes it easy to create coupon codes in Squarespace for any occasion. Step 4. Enter discount details. Now, enter your discount details, such as the name, promo code, and description. Be clear and precise so your customers know exactly what the offer is. If you're planning a limited time offer in Squarespace, you'll define the availability in a later step. Step 5. Define the trigger. Next, choose the discount trigger. This could be spending a specific amount, using a promo code at checkout, or meeting certain order conditions. This is how you apply discounts to products in Squarespace based on customer actions. Step 6. Configure the offer rules. Decide what products the discount applies to. You can apply it site-wide or limit it to specific categories or individual products. Set rules for how the discount behaves in your Squarespace e-commerce setup, like usage limits per customer or exclusions. Step 7. Set start and expiry dates. Now set your start date and expiration date. Align these with sales events like holidays, product launches, or weekend promotions. This lets you create time-based offers and automate your Squarespace discount code schedule. Step 8. Review and save. Finally, review your setup. Check all the fields carefully. Make sure your offer type, code, rules, and dates are correct. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your discount is now live and ready to use at checkout. And that's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel,